Yes, student, here are two numerical questions based on the topic which we have discussed in our last class, equilibrium constant from Nernst equation. Student, we have already derived an equation which relates log Kc with Nernst equation. Okay. So E standard cell is equal to 0.059 upon n. Here n is number of electron participates. Okay, that is oxidized or reduced. Or we can simplify the equation. It is because we have to find equilibrium constant. So log Kc is equal to E standard cell multiplied by n divided by 0.059. Getting? So the question is calculate the equilibrium constant, that is Kc, for the reaction is given. This reaction is given at 298 Kelvin temperature. Getting? Given that now the two half cell electrode potential value is given 0.80 and 0.34. So from equation we need very first what? E standard cell. Okay, so we will start from here. E standard cell, it is equal to E standard cathode minus E standard anode. Getting? Now student, one which is getting reduced during the reaction is called cathode, and which is getting oxidized is called what? Anode. Are you getting? That is simple. You can say cathode is more reactive, anode is cathode is less reactive, anode is more reactive. Otherwise, you can also find by their electrode, that is standard reduction potential value, one which is having more positive value, okay, is getting reduced, and one which is having less positive value is getting oxidized. That means this is for reduction, this is for oxidation. So now we can place the value. Value is what? 0.80 minus n. For your copper it is 0.34. So it is equal to 0.46 volt. This is the value of what? E standard cell. Now simply to find log Kc, you can write log Kc is equal to E standard cell multiplied by n divided by 0.059. Okay. Now student, E standard cell we already got here 0.46 multiplied by number of electron, that is n. So how many number of electrons is there? You can see here, or charges is there, plus 2. So you can write here what? 2 divided by 0.059. When you will solve it, you will get the answer 15 point. This is 6 5668. Okay. Now to find the Kc, we have to take its anti-log. So Kc is equal to, now you can write here, anti-log of 15.5668 is equal to, so there is what? 15. So this 15 become power of 10, that is 10 to power of 15, and now we will take anti-log of 5668. Anti-log of 5668, it gives the value 3.6, okay, 4, 8, etc. Okay, that is, this value is important. So in this way we can solve the question. Second one, again to solve the second question, now here the E standard cell value is already given, so need not to find E standard cell as we find in previous numerical question. So now simply place the value log Kc is equal to E standard cell multiplied by n divided by 0.059. Now E standard cell is given 0.416 multiplied by Now student, what about the value of n? Okay, so value of n is, you can see here, 4 number of pr anion, or you can say 4H cation. That means the n value is what? 4. So place here what? 4 divided by 0.059. When you will solve it, it gives 10.8291. That is now log Kc is equal to 10.8291. So to find Kc, we have to take its antilog. So Kc is equal to antilog of what? 10.8, sorry, 10.8291. It is equal to, here the 10 is there, so into power into 10 to power what? 10. Now 0.8 started from 0.8, that is you place one of the decimal, whatever the value we will get, it will 6.747. So this will be your answer. So student, you have also refer some more numerical questions from your NCERT book. It is given in text and also in exercise. Okay, so you have to solve all the questions.